Hey everyone, so welcome back to the channel Doctor and Forex Trader. So we are yet live for another live session. I hope you are loving this program, and those who are with me from past 1 month know how I trade, and what is the goal behind this trading program. So let me give just a brief intro, then we will move to the charts for the new users, the new viewers. We daily come live and we trade NAS 100 on 5 minutes time frame, right? And we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. And if you don't know what a funded challenge is, be with me in this video, you will get to know what a funded challenge is. So we just trade live and we show each and every component of trading in complete raw pattern, right? There is no hiding, nothing. So without wasting much time, let's get back to the charts. And my name is Dr. D, as you all know. So let's start the session today. So on your screen says now a NAS 100 chart on the 5 minutes time frame. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we host a session. And hit that like button if you like my analysis, my trading style, my mindset. And be with me, you will get to learn much more important things. I promise you. So, as you all know, I usually start with a recap which we did yesterday. I'll show you what we did yesterday. On your screens is the analysis for the yesterday which we traded. Clear? I told at exactly this candle that we'll be taking a buying position, and we took it for this target and it was very beautifully hit. And what we did is compounding. These three boxes which you are seeing is compounding. What is, sorry, pyramiding. What is pyramiding is adding positions to the winning position, right? A natural human mind is trained to book profits, but what I was doing is exactly opposite. In profits, even I was adding more positions, right? So this was the yesterday's trade, and psychology behind this I explained yesterday very beautifully. If you want to know, you can watch the previous session. You will get to learn. This is it's him like in itself only a particular strategy. If you just find this pattern in market regularly, you can be a profitable trader with just one pattern also, right? This is the power of these psychology based patterns. In last I told also that after this candle a very green bullish candle is coming, and exactly after that a green bullish candle came, because this is complete psychology and experience. I have been trading for so long that I understand the psychology. When the day agrees with me, the trading charts agree with me, at that day you have to make maximum benefit. Like yesterday, let's show you our dashboard. So this is the ongoing dashboard. This is the ongoing dashboard. You can see currently we are $513 up. Our target is 7.5%, so 2.34% is left, right? And we will try that we are able to pass this. And as I promised in the session starting only, that our win rate will stand in between 50, 60, 70%. Don't expect me to have a 100% win rate, no. So these were yesterday's trades, these three trades, right? So in total almost we made $230 yesterday. That was almost double the size of profits which we were making earlier in a same 1:1.5 trade. How is that possible? That's possible by pyramiding. Okay. So now without wasting all the time, let's start and make analysis for the day, then we'll talk. This was the idea which I shared in my signals channel, a paid channel which I run. So yesterday I gave this trade idea in the night and it hit the bullseye. It was a 1:2 trade. So clear all the drawings. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are an old viewer, please hit the like button. Your like encourages me to bring more such, sessions to you. So we will do the same boring thing again. We'll make our analysis for the day. What is this? This is uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, a lower low, but then again a higher high, right? So today our bias is clearly uptrend in daily time frame. Agree? Now let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. Just remove this drawing, then we'll shift to the 4 hours time frame. So in a 4-hour also, what you can see is uptrend, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, going for another higher low. So clearly we are in a bullish trend for 4-hour also. Now 1 hour. So what you can see, I can see again an uptrend in 1 hour also. Clear? So today our major time bias is upside. But what is possible is this. Maybe it's coming to form another higher low, right? And if you take any trade in between this point for a bullish, so you may get a stop loss hit. That's where our 15 minutes time frame come into play, right? How? Let me explain you. See, if you take chart from here, it is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Till here also it was higher high, higher low. Then what happens? Higher high but a lower low. Clear? So the short term trend becomes bearish. Clear? So now let's make important levels for the day. We'll mark 1 or 2 important levels. Brother, let's first make the analysis for the day, right? Then we will talk and discuss regarding different concepts. Initially just focus on how I am making the analysis, right? So let's make a good level. I can see a good level. Can you see? This one, this one, this one, here. Clear? So this seems to be a good zone. So let's mark this level. So one zone we have marked, right? Let's mark another zone. I think on 15 minutes time frame it is sufficient. Now let's shift to the 5 minutes time frame. Please hit the like button if you like my analysis, and hit the subscribe button if you are a new user. So now we have shifted to 5 minutes time frame. Clear? And what we'll do, mark few of our minor levels. Clear? So one minor level is this point. Why? Because market is reacting at this point. Here, it's almost here also, right? So it's a zone. I told you yesterday also, in markets it's always a zone, never a particular point. So we have gotten the idea for the day. Very simple. A simple fall up to here, then waiting for a double bottom kind of confirmation or a bullish engulfing candle, then we are good to go for an upside. Clear? Or if you want a downside idea, then similar, a breakout, a retest, then this will be the target. As it is a bullish idea, let's make it green so that it's not confusing. One more thing which you can do is, if you want, mark this level. See this one. Clear? What we can trade is, it's a breakout. We can wait for a retest, then we can take an entry for sell side up to this point. Clear? Like a fallout, a retest, then this as a target. So these three becomes the current idea for us. And one more which I am seeing right now is maybe a double bottom at this level also, then a retest, and yeah, I have traded BTC, brother. I have traded it. But I don't think now I should trade because you know I am currently interested in NAS 100 only. I am giving just 1 to 1.5 hour a day for intraday trading. So I don't feel to jump on many instruments. One instrument is sufficient for you. And I hope we are currently going good, right? It's been almost 20-25 days of sessions and we are almost 5% up, and that's more than enough. I don't have aspirations or ambitions for achieving 100% a month. My goal is to achieve realistic returns and enjoy life without much frustrations and exhaustion. You can trade in the instrument in which you feel comfortable, but what my experience says is a single instrument is enough for you to make good money. If you are talking about intraday trading, but if you are interested in swing trading, then everything is possible. I made an analysis for BTC. I'll show you. Wait. And it worked out really great. A very simple analysis. See, a simple inverse head and shoulder and a breakout and a proper retest, and then boom. I don't think it can be much simple than that. And I had bought my crypto investments at after this candle. Like I have bought crypto for long term investment, so at this point I invested in it because it was a breakout, a retest, then a good candle, so it was a good confirmation on a weekly time frame. Clear? So now let's move over to our chart, NAS 100. 20,000 rupees is enough to make 500 rupees in, what have you written, per week. If you have a capital of 20,000 and if you manage to make 5% return, right, it comes out to be 1,000 rupees. That means 1,000 rupees in a month. That means 250 rupees a week. So calculate it. Will you be able or not? I don't think. Because taking out 5% return a month is also is a task of a very pro trader. Initially, I'll even tell you, being profitable is even itself a bigger task, and then taking out 5-6% a month is also a big task. See, when you pass both the phases of funded challenge, clear? Then you get an ID password with a particular capital of, suppose this we are using $10,000. So you will get a account of particular capital $10,000 in which you can't withdraw or anything deposit or anything like that. You just can trade in that, and if you are following the rules and if you are at the month end in the profit, then you will get your percent share. That's it. You don't have the right to withdraw the money or anything. You will just be getting ID password to trade. And in that account, if you are managing return, then out of that, every company has a different profit share. Maybe some companies offer 80%, some 85, some 90, and some even 95. That particularly depend on the company which you are choosing. So this is what you get, right? If you lose, but if you are in the rule limit, suppose maximum loss is 10%, right? And if you are 6% down or 7% down, then your account will be carrying on until if you break the rules, or if in profit. If you are in loss, then you will be carrying on. Getting it? They won't take it after month end if you are in loss. Condition is you have to follow the rules. Your loss should not be more than 10%. If it's more than 10%, immediately your account will be blown out at the exactly same time, right? I'm seeing many viewers, but the like button is hit by only one. So it means you are not looking forward to my analysis. So, as usual, now our main thing is started. That is waiting, waiting, waiting. Clear? No, you don't have to pay anything if you lose. Your account will be blown out and you have to start from again zero, right? You don't have to pay anything. So for the new viewers, I'll show you, this is our dashboard of our $10,000 account. We are currently $513 up and we are trying to pass this $10,000 funded account. And in the initial first or second session, I have told you about the giveaway. If we manage to get a payout from this account after passing, right, then I'll be giving away one or two $10,000 funded accounts for free. But there is a criteria to take entry in that giveaway. What is the criteria? You have to watch the previous session. In that you will get what is the criteria. Either in the second or third session I have told. And these are the trades which we have taken till now. So we have initially we started with 3 winning trades in a row, then we had 4 losing trades, then again we have 3 winning trades. Why I am saying 3? Because it was a part of pyramiding. These 3 are part of one single trade, right? Funded account is a blessing for new traders who have learned the art of trading but don't have the capital, right? I myself have been benefited from it. That's why I am saying that. Although their rules are much strict, but these help you in maintaining a good discipline. Because you know, if you do one single mistake, you will be blowing up your account at that instance immediately, right? So what I feel is, if this candle forms a bearish engulfing candle. Engulfing means if this closes below the body of this candle, we may look for a downside trade up to this target. Let's see what happens. Our job is to just wait. We have made the analysis, we have done our work, and now in all these scenario, whatever we got in the market, we will take the entry. You don't have to frame the trade on your own, right? Now you have done your work. Just see the market, what it does, and then react to it. Let's make our MT5 account ready. Maybe we would have to take an entry. So here you can see all the trades which we have taken till now, and our total profit is $513. I don't want to fake anything or just show you any wrong thing. Everything is in you front of you, completely raw, completely genuine, completely true. And you all know it takes a lot of confidence to trade live. And passing a funded challenge live is, just a very, very hectic task. Only if you have great confidence on you, you can do it. Otherwise, it's not possible. I'm not guaranteeing you that I'll pass it, but yeah, I'll try my best. Still, whatever happens, we'll accept it because our job is, as I told yesterday, also to do good trading. That's it. Rest, let it take care of all. So our NAS MT5 is ready. Just shift to the charts and let's wait for the opportunity. If you want to ask anything, any concept, any doubt, you are very much free to ask. I would love to answer your questions. Make it an interactive session. Try to, grasp as much knowledge as you can from me. ICT. What is this ICT? I don't use SMC, ICT, all these things. You are seeing me what I am using, a simple and very simple price action. So how can I tell you about that? I just simply use support resistance, that's it. Sometimes trend line, which you can see on Instagram, I am using. You can see how simply I have made the trades, very simple. I don't have, interest in knowing that those things, order blocks or anything like that. Every trader has his or her particular concepts. I told you previously also, the more simple you will keep your trading, the more money you will be making, and the more complicated your charts look, that person, doesn't have a guarantee I can say you that he is making money, because trading is 95% risk reward management and psychology management. 5% is technicals. These strategies, all these things revolve around one same thing only, supply and demand. That's it. Main thing is your psychology, and developing the psychology, it takes a lot of time. You will learn technicals in 15 days, 20 days, or a month. But and you will learn psychology also in 10 days, 15 days. But to, you know, implicate that in your live markets and making it a second nature, like thoughts come in your mind in that way only, that takes time, right? That's why you can't be a trader overnight or just over a month or 2 months. Controlling your mind takes, you know, a lot of hard work. It is the most difficult thing in the world, because a person who can control his or her mind, he can do everything. If you have a good control, suppose, so you will not have weak days, you will not have demotivated days, you will do workout daily, you will not think that today I am tired or this or that. If you have, you know, good art of controlling your mind, so that takes a lot of time. That's why trading takes a lot of time to become a profitable trader. First thing when you become a profitable trader is, the thing hits you that why do you want to do trading. When you get clear answer of that, the day your progress will start. Till, you know, you will be thinking of trading as a lottery, as a gambling, as a overnight rich quick scheme, you will not be, you know, becoming a profitable trader. Never. The day you have good patience, you know that a single trade is a single trade. One trade is not, you know, changing all of my life. These are the psychologies of in the beginning, right? Most of the people enter the market with these psychologies only. That one trade is enough. It will make you crores and, you know, hundreds and millions of dollars. Your mindset is like that. So these things you have to change. You have to calm your mind, you have to compose it, that it is just at a time single trade, either be it a losing or be it a profitable trade, it won't change my life, right? A single trade will never change it. So if you are able to clear this from your mind, right, the day that day your growth will start for sure. But these things take time. If I would be saying you that you can take my course and you will become a trader in 15 days, 20 days, no, I would be lying. I would be crystal clear lying, right? Even if I am launching a course and I am just teaching things which are required, still psychology will come into play. And for developing psychology, it will take around 4 5 months minimum. If you are, you know, a beast in the sense like the best in your profession, then also it will take 4 5 months. But most people, it takes 2 to 3 years to develop that mindset. I myself took a lot of time to develop that mindset, and when I developed that mindset, all of the things started to change. Everything started to fall in place. Let's play a game today, right? Let's wait first for one or two more candles, maybe any entry triggers. If not, then I'll be playing a game with you. Are you interested? Do you want to play? Like yesterday, you will be shocked today also. You will be mesmerized. I think mesmerized is the better word. By the thing which I'll show you. So why I am not interested in selling right now? Can anyone tell? Even if it closes here also. But if it closes below this, then I am interested. But till now I am not interested. Still it is a bearish engulfing, but I am not interested. Do you know why? Let me tell you. Because just wait for a second. Yeah, just received a call. Good evening, good evening. So yeah, I asked a question that why I will not be taking a trade if it closes above, but will take the trade if it closes down. Let me explain you. So you can see this is a level, right? And if you see this is a proper breakout, a proper retest also, right? So when everything is proper, there are chances of a proper stop loss hunting also. So it is quite possible that we may hit, like if may open the position and we may hit a stop loss. There may be a stop loss hunting. I am not saying that for sure it will happen, but it is possible. That's why I am not interested in currently opening a selling position. But once I close below this, I am interested for taking this as a target. I hope you got this. Because sometimes the things which feel obvious in the market is never obvious. It's obvious for everyone. That's why big players try to hunt your stop losses. So you have to be a little extra cautious. As I keep on repeatedly saying, you should not have a FOMO that I'll miss this trade. What happens if it goes and hit the target? Nothing. We will have one more trade. But what happens if it hits the stop loss? We will lose the money, right? So this should be your mindset. These things will come with experience. These things will not come overnight. Any of you have any doubts? You're free to ask. You know, be it close, below this, but still I am not having a confidence on this trade. That's why even if it closes below this, I'll still not be interested. But if it closes as green candle, then I'm interested in opening the buying position. If it is a bullish engulfing, right? But if it's not a bullish engulfing and a simple double bottom, then we will wait for the retest and an entry. Clear? Hold on for a second, I have an important call. I'll be back in 1 minute. So yes, we are back. So as I told you, I'm not interested for this position. May even it hit the target, but still I'm not interested because I'm not getting an good confidence. So we'll be waiting for better opportunity. So feeling a FOMO? Not at all. And you should not, because if you have not no confidence, then you should not take the trade. That's the simple rule. Still have a half an hour for our trading session, and we'll be waiting if we get another opportunity. I was not having confidence, that's why I skipped this. And let's check whether there is a news event for today or not. It's already over. It was at 7 p.m. So now there is no news event. Yeah, let me show you one more thing. Yesterday we gave an analysis on Instagram. So it beautifully followed this and hit the target first, and now it's back, and that's due to a news event. And let's see our GBP JPY. Yesterday one person asked from us, how's it doing? See what I told you, you can't open a buy position. It took exactly resistance from this point. Yesterday we were here and it exactly took resistance and it's falling again down, right? That's why I was saying, if it's giving us a breakout and a retest, then you should open a buy position, otherwise leave it. So this hit the target. I will say the level, not the target, because we were not in the trade. So this is now over. Let's remove this. This is also over. Remove it. Now let's wait. What does market forms? So I was telling you that I'll teach you something interesting, right? Let's teach. Let's open the chart for Euro USD. Let's clear all the drawings. I hope you all have opened your trading views also. This is going to be an amazing session. Just be with me. I'm going to teach you something very much interesting. I'm just finding the condition which I am trying to show you. That's why I'm taking a little time. Just be patient. Let's just see our NAS 100 first. Okay, so now we have to wait for this breakout, then a retest, then a sell entry, or a double bottom at this point, then a buy entry. Clear? As exactly we told that in the 1 hour we were saying that it was coming for a retracement to form a higher low. That same thing is happening, but we overthink something and we didn't have confidence. That's why I missed this trade. Okay, now let's move to what I was showing to you. Actually, I'm not able to find what I was trying to show you. I'll show it tomorrow. I'll bring it, I'll search for it and keep it ready. Then I'll show you. But now, if we do, we will miss our opportunity. So let's just focus on NAS 100 currently. So if you are a new viewer, please hit the like button. Each of your like encourages me to bring more such sessions. And hit that bell icon so that you are notified whenever we host a live session. And those are new, let me tell you, we trade daily NAS 100. My name is Dr. D and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. That's it. That's the motto of this session. Talking about some mindset things, some price action, and just doing good trading. Results are never in our hand. And if you have any doubts or any questions regarding anything, you are free to ask. Make it an interacting sessions. you will also enjoy. And as I keep on saying, my trading is always boring because I keep on doing same things. I don't want to make my trading exciting. I want to make my life exciting with the money which I will be making, but not the trading. Keep your trading boring. What we do, we just simply come daily here, we analyze, we make our flow chart, and if market follows that flow chart, we take a trade, otherwise we skip. That's it. Nothing more than that. Like you can see, till now we had 24-25 sessions, but you can see how many trades we have taken till now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So out of 24 to 25 sessions, we have just taken 10 trades till now. These three are a part of single trade. Okay. So rest 15 days we have just sit idly and left the market without doing anything. That's the patience you should have, and you should try to develop in yourself. Patience is the most important asset of a trader. Mind my words. If you don't have 100% confidence on the trade you have designed, just skip it. Sir, I have a question. What is HKT and basket? Are you asking in that Indian market? The basket order? Bro, I am listening these words first time. I will not give you wrong answers, but yeah, I haven't listened these terms. In basket, it is an Indian market for sure I am knowing, but in Forex, I don't know what is a basket or a HKT. Why have why to learn such complex things? Just keep your trading simple, brother. That will help you a lot. Why have this chart stopped? There's some malfunction in the trading view, I guess. Yes, in that particular company's chart. No worries. Let's see one more time, or we'll shift to this. Sir, I have a question regarding limit order. Yes, please ask. Okay. So, are you a profitable scalper or just for saying a scalper? These were the trades of yesterday. If anyone doesn't know, I'm showing you. And at exactly this point, I provided a trade in my signals channel as well for a 1:2 trade, and people made money yesterday. Though for those who doesn't know, I am running a signals channel also that costs $20 per month. I'm not very much interested in making an advertisement for that or something like that. If anyone is interested, he contacts me, he or she, and I just provide the access. These are not getting executed. I'm not getting what you are trying to ask. Just please elaborate a little more so that it is clear. If this candle is an engulfing candle, we may look for a buying position, right? Because our overall trend was bullish, and this is a good level on 15 minutes time frame. So we may look for a buy trade if this candle is an engulfing candle. Clear? So maybe we get an entry. Let's just check our stop loss value if we get an entry, and we will be looking for at least 1:1.5. Just wait. And the stop loss is 37, so I'll be opening the trade with 0.1213 lot size. So just wait and watch. So what limit orders you are placing, brother? Buy limit or sell limit? And in which you are facing problem? If you are new viewer, please hit the like button. Each one of your like matters and it encourages me a lot to bring more such sessions. I'm not charging or doing anything taking from you. Just a subscribe and a like. That's it. All these live sessions will always be completely free and knowledge filled. Those who want to learn, these are enough for you to be a good trader. Be with me for few months. You will get to know. And let me be very clear, if this candle is very much big, then we will skip, right? Then we'll wait for a double bottom confirmation. Suppose if this closes like this only, then I'm not interested. Because big candles mostly have manipulations in them. So this has closed, but I am not interested. As I told you, I am interested now if we get a double bottom kind of confirmation, then only. Otherwise, we will skip. It is possible that it may head towards the target, but still, it is not an 100% confirmed trade for me. That's why I am not interested. Clear? Those who want to stay updated regularly when we host our live sessions can join the Telegram. There I message you before starting the session. The link is available in the channel bio for Telegram and for Instagram as well. On Instagram, I keep on sharing analysis regularly and some of my trading thoughts also. At this same point, hundreds of different traders would have different analysis, right? And you can never say that he or she is wrong or I am wrong or you are wrong, right? Because there are thousands of ways to see market at particular time. Each one of you can make your analysis and it may be right or it may be wrong. You can never say that you are wrong or I am right or you are right, I am wrong. Nothing like this. Just wait for a second, I have got an important call. So, what I was saying is that there are thousands of ways to interpret the market at a particular time, also, right? You have to go with the flow. You don't have to make market flow like you, right? Because market is such big, you just have to go with the flow like a fish flows in the ocean in its streamlined flow. Fish can't reverse the flow of market, so that same thing is applicable here. So we'll wait for a double bottom confirmation here. If it happens, it's good. Otherwise, we'll skip it. Clear? So we'll be waiting for just 2 or 3 more candles. If something happens that we can take an entry, then we will take it. Otherwise, we will skip the day. And we'll come back again tomorrow. And my rule is simple. After that, I'll not be taking any trades in this live session. There are many new viewers today. Good. That means I am doing something right. And don't worry, you will get to learn many new things here. I promise for sure. And you will get an essence of what real trading is. I don't know what you think about it or no, but what I'll be sharing is, proper real trading. No gambling, no faking the results, or showing you any fake results that even after failing I am passing or this and that. No. If I fail, it will be my mistake and you will be seeing in front of the screen. And if I pass, it will be also, my trading knowledge that you'll get to know. So one thing you can expect from this sessions is that everything will be completely truthful and completely raw, right? Nothing will be behind the curtains. That's why I am saying this thing again and again, that don't have unrealistic expectations from me or my sessions, right? Keep your mind and your expectations very clear, because when we had a losing streak, see this 4 trades losing streak, I was not demotivated at all or anything like that, because what I said at that time also, that these things keep on happening in the market and it will always be happening. Then these things also happen. See, 3 trades winning, 3 trades winning, 4 losing, 1 winning, 1 losing, anything like that. And your win rate will be standing around this only 60, 50, 70. What matters is the average win size. Here you are seeing it as 113, but actually it is 150. Why? Because these two were pyramiding part of trades. That's why they averaged and made that winning size low. But when you see it earlier, you can see that my win size was almost 1 is to 1.5 of that of loss. So this matters, and your patience matters. Skipping a winning trade is also an art, right? To have that confidence and not having a FOMO this one, like this one. Today we had 2 trades and we were, our both of analysis were right, but still we didn't took the trade. Why? Because I was not having the confidence. It's good that these hits the target. These are a lesson for me for next time. But what if these would have a stop loss? So, not trading is also saving money, right? In fact, not taking a wrong trade is making money. Always trade when you have 100% confirmation on your setup. So let's just wait for one more candle, or this is also possible now. Maybe it is a breakout. It may head like this, then a retest, and then boom. This is also possible. So our job is to just wait patiently, nothing else. And when you join my session, I am giving you just one advice. If if you becomes out to be a regular viewer of these live sessions, never ever come in this session expecting that we will trade daily, right? Don't expect me that I'll be making you a millionaire or billionaire overnight. So don't have these kind of expectations from my session. Always come with a calm and composed mind, right? You should have a clear vision that I am going to see these sessions to learn, right? And one thing which no one says, I am saying, never ever think, and don't become dependent on me. Try to learn things. Try to think of these sessions as a training period for a limited time, for a 2 3 months, so that you can trade on your own, right? You have to develop a trading skill of your own, trading edge. Although I'll be here for a longer period of time, for many years maybe, but still I want you to be developing as a profitable trader yourself, so that you are independent of everyone else. Clear? Maybe you can become a much better trader than me. It's also possible. And no one will be more than happy, you know, from myself, if you become a profitable trader by watching my videos. This is a dream of a teacher, a trainer, that his student does better than him. So we'll be waiting for one more candle after this. At exactly 8:40 we will close the stream. If in the meantime we get the entry, then it's good. Otherwise we'll skip it. And what's the criteria? If this is a red candle and next is a green candle, then we will take an entry. Otherwise we are not interested in trading today. Although everything is happening what we thought, but still there will be days like this when market will do what you were waiting for, still you don't have confidence. If you want to ask anything regarding these sessions, regarding trading, regarding funded challenge, you are very much welcome. Move now. If you have capital, you can start it now. You know what? I'll tell you something from my experience. When there is a positive sentiment in the crypto market, like earlier 2 to 3 years it was a crypto winter going on, and now crypto is showing some bullish momentum. So at these times crypto follows best price action, right? Best price action. I have predicted and analyzed so much of crypto in the previous bull run of that 2019-20, and every analysis was to the point. But after that, in the crypto winter, everything failed. No analysis was working. So, if currently it has started to work, then it's good. You can trade it. What what I mean to say is focus on one thing only. Don't try to grasp everything such that you lose, you are not able to even win one in the attempt of winning all the 4 5 things. Like now, I have Indian markets and crypto only for investments, trading only Forex. Trading in the sense intraday trading, and that too in front of you, nothing at the back. Yes, if you are trying to do intraday trading, I'll suggest you that only, so that you get to know that single instrument inside out. You get to know how it behaves. Like we are trading NAS 100 here, and if we keep on trading for 3 4 months, we will get to know many things about it, how it behaves in particular conditions. A person who is trading, there's a famous dialogue of a movie. I don't fear from a person who has practiced 10,000 moves one time. Listen to me very carefully. I do not fear the person who has practiced 10,000 moves one time. I fear a person who has practiced one move 10,000 times. Right? That is completely applicable in trading. So if you have a good knowledge on a single instrument and you have spent your 2 3 years on a single instrument, then you will become the master of that instrument, and that single instrument can make you hell lot of money. I hope you agree. Am I right or am I right? That's the confidence you should have. So this is the last candle. If it is a red and touches this level, then I'll wait for one more, and if it closes green, then I am not interested in taking any position. Still, if any of you wants to take any entry, I'll give you an analysis after I close this stream. If you are interested, you can take, because it may follow something like this and then boom, right? But as I have strict rules, I have a fixed trading time, so I don't want to extend this session so much. So this is just last candle. I'll be waiting. After this we'll be closing the session. You should never be mesmerized by the numbers. Like being you listen or you see a profitable trader and see his or her profits of thousands or hundreds of dollars. No, you should be mesmerized by the skills, right? You should be mesmerized by his or her thoughts, so that you can also imply those things in your mind. What will you do what I am earning of that or any other profitable trader? There is no point, like that money is no use of for you. So don't be never get mesmerized by others people profits, money or anything like that. Just watch the skill that person is having. I hope you are getting me. And if you are a new viewer, please hit the like button. That would encourage me a lot. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. You are asking, so should I focus on one instrument until I become profitable? You are still not getting the point, brother. When you will become profitable and experienced, then you yourself will be taking just one instrument. The things which you are trying to do, every beginner does. That trying to grasp all the things available. And what I am telling you is a pro trader mindset, that focus on one instrument for your complete lifetime. That would change your life. So I think we should close this session. We haven't gotten an entry according to us. Although we have got the entries, but we were not having the confidence, right? This would have been a trade, this would have been a trade, but still we were not having good confidence, so I skipped it. And there will be days like this regularly. It is a part and parcel of trading. Not never think every day I will take a trade. I will never force a trade, right? I will enter when I want. I will never enter when market wants me to enter, right? So okay, bye bye, take care. Your host, your friend, Dr. D. Let's see you tomorrow.